What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on game mode on your Panasonic TV. So if you want to be able to get the best gaming experience while gaming on your Panasonic TV, you want to make sure that you enable or turn on game mode to optimize the TV for gaming. And to do this, basically you want to first of all head over to the specific input source where your gaming device is connected. In my case, I have my PS5 connected to HDMI 2, so go ahead and select the specific HDMI input source. And once that is done, you want to head over to your remote control, then press on the menu button on your remote control. You can literally see the menu button over here. If you cannot find the menu button, you can just go ahead and press on the home button on your remote control. That is this button over here, and then navigate to where you have the main menu option. You can literally see the main menu over here. Select it. And once the menu opens up, you just want to select the picture menu and then scroll down continuously until you get to the options settings over here. Select that, and over here you're going to see the game mode. Now the TV automatically detects game mode, and that is why you can see at the top that game mode is already turned on. If I want to turn it off, I can go ahead and turn it off, but it is currently disabled because the TV already recognizes that my PS5 is currently connected to HDMI 2. If you're connecting any other gaming device, you should be able to turn it on and turn it off directly from here. And if you scroll down, you can as well make other changes. For instance, if you want pure 4K image on your gaming device, you just want to go ahead and select that and make sure you turn on 4K to give you pure 4K on your Panasonic TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.